Most mornings my breakfast is some kind of oats with fruit, nuts and seeds, and some dried fruit. But it gets a little boring just to do oatmeal or to do granola every day, so I like to mix it up with something that I like to call an oat bake. Basically what we're gonna be doing is blending up the oats with other things and baking it inside of an air fryer, but you can also do it in a convection oven if that's what you've got. I do all of this inside of my little hand blender, but you can use a regular blender as well. So I've pre-measured out a half a cup of plant milk. I've got unsweetened almond milk here, and we're just gonna dump everything else inside of this. So I have a half a cup of oats, some flaxseed, and some cinnamon. Most days I'll actually put some protein powder in at this point if I'm doing this for a post-workout meal, but I'm not adding it today. I'm gonna put a little bit of maple syrup in here. And then last but not least, we're gonna put in a really ripe banana. Just break it up into a couple pieces, put it in there on the top, and just mash it down. This is probably more than the manufacturer would tell you to put in here, but it works just fine for me. Get in there. And then we're just gonna blend it up. So I like to let it sit for about a minute or two after, because the flaxseed in there is what's gonna work like an egg, and it's gonna thicken it up. So just let that sit there, and then what we're gonna do is we're gonna start adding some of our fruit to the bowl. This is an oven-safe bowl, so I'm gonna put in most of the fruit inside here. I wanna leave a little bit for the top to make it pretty. You can use whatever you want. Here I've just got some apples and some blueberries, but any fruit that you've got, fresh or frozen, works here. Some of our dried fruit and seeds here. I've just got a mix of raisins and chopped up pecans. And so that's just all at the bottom of the bowl. And now what we're gonna do is give this one more little quick blend. This is not a technical thing, I just do that to get most of it off. So now we're gonna pour this inside this bowl and just stir it all around until it's nice and combined. This is a little thinner than it usually looks, but we're gonna give it a whirl and see what happens. It should thicken up inside the oven. So we're just gonna top it with some more of those seeds and dried fruit, as well as the rest of our fruit. And then for the health of it, I like to just sprinkle some hemp seeds on top. So this has been baking for 20 minutes inside the air fryer, and then I let it sit and cool for just a little bit because otherwise it's a bit too hot to eat. What I love about this is I can put it inside there, set it to cook, and then go for a walk, do a workout, have a shower, whatever it is, and by the time I'm done, it's ready to go. Part of the fun of this is digging in and seeing what it looks like when you first crack that delicious skin on top. It's still steaming. It's probably gonna burn my mouth. Let's find out. Oh my goodness, it's so good. It's got all of the deliciousness and joy of oatmeal, but it's also got kind of like a cake mixture with these blended oats. I have this at least once a week, and it's pure delicious. And I don't care that it's burning my mouth because I'm hungry, and it's so good. Yeah, that's hot, okay.